If your Kenwood Inverter AC shows F1 error and stops cooling, you may think the gas has leaked or the compressor is damaged. Don't worry, this is a very small issue. This problem is not related to gas or compressor. Your Kenwood AC might show F1 error due to a faulty room temperature sensor. This sensor tells the PCB how much cooling is needed. When the sensor fails, the AC becomes blind. The compressor and outdoor unit will not start. Turn off the power and unplug the AC. Now let's see where this sensor is located. Open the front cover and remove the filters. Behind the filters, you will find a thin black wire with a bulb tip. If it is dusty, clean it gently with a soft cloth. Sometimes rats cut the sensor wire. If the wire is cut, rejoin it properly. Open the indoor unit and locate the PCB. Remove the sensor jack and plug it back firmly. If the problem remains, the sensor must be tested. Set your digital multimeter to 20k ohms range. Never test the sensor while connected to the PCB. Place the probes on the two sensor terminals. At normal temperature, it should show around 10k ohms. OL or zero reading means the sensor is faulty. Now warm the sensor using your hand. If the sensor is good, resistance will decrease. No change or sudden jump means sensor is out of value. Replace the sensor with a new one. Turn on the AC after installation. The error will disappear and cooling will start.
Subscribe for more AC repair secrets and tips.
Drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next one.
If you're enjoying this, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support helps us make more great content.